Hey everybody, it's Jody Crowley with North of Boston Lifestyle Guide, and I'm here today with Robert Toro with Toro Construction Management. I'm super excited to introduce you to him. He does great work, he has 5-star reviews, he's honest, his team is great, awesome customer service. He's going to tell you a little bit more about their favorite kind of projects, and then he's going to actually take us through one of his most recent renovations.
Thank you very much, Jody, for having us on the guide. My name is Rob Toro. I'm the owner of Toro Construction Management. We are a local construction company here in Woburn. We really focus or pride ourselves on being a full-service home renovation company. From all of your interior needs to anything exterior. The goal is when you call us for your work, you don't have to call anybody else. We'll coordinate everything from the demo to the finish and the assistance with the design to complete any project that you want, whether it's a kitchen, a bath, basement, exterior painting, interior painting, flooring, tile work, you name it, we do it. Welcome to one of our most recent renovations here in Woburn, Mass. This is on Rock Street in Woburn. This renovation consists of a kitchen renovation and a basement renovation, in addition to some other minor things, a few windows, a slider door, and some flooring fixes. I'll take you inside, give you a quick tour of the property. Welcome to the kitchen renovation here on Rock Street in Woburn. This renovation was more of a cosmetic renovation. The walls for the most part remained intact, along with the flooring. We did do some patchwork in the flooring once we demoed the kitchen cabinets. But this renovation required a little bit of appliance moving for the design that we selected. It has beautiful new cabinets, a nice quartz countertop, a beautiful tile backsplash. It's not quite finished yet, still needs to be grouted. And as you can see, painting that's in process, and there's still some lighting that needs to be adjusted here in the kitchen. We're about a week away from completely finishing this kitchen, but it's certainly on its way to completion, and it's turning out to be great. Welcome to the basement here at Rock Street in Woburn. Currently it is under renovation, and we just recently put up the walls. This basement includes a living room, an office space, and a nice large bathroom, in addition to a couple closets for storage. We recently did just put up these walls, which are blue board and plaster. At this point right now, the walls are still drying. We did insulate the ceiling with a Roxol insulation, which serves as a sound barrier. Before putting up the blue board and plaster, we did spray the walls with closed cell foam insulation to maximize heating and cooling, but also to act as a secondary water barrier for the exterior wall. This room, or this basement, will also have a pergo laminate flooring once we finish, and the tile work in the bathroom is going to be absolutely amazing. So unfortunately, we don't have the ability to go into the bathroom right now because it is currently getting tiled. But a quick view of the bathroom, as you can see, the floor tile is getting laid as we speak. The shower floor tile just got installed and still has to be grouted, but it could get installed. And after the floor tile is done, we will be starting to work on the shower walls. Once this bathroom is completely done, the tile work, in addition to all the finishes, is going to look absolutely amazing. To note, the shower is extremely large. It's probably 6 feet by 4 feet.
Tell us what sets your company apart from others.
Sure, Jody, that's a fantastic question. So, Toro Construction, we strive to be a full-service construction company. That's what we really pride ourselves on. In addition to that, we are fully licensed, we are fully insured. We offer a workmanship guarantee on all our work of a year that comes standard with any project that we do. We use only top quality materials. So for instance, in the basement that we just looked at, we use blue board and plaster on the walls as opposed to joint compound and sheetrock. A little bit more messy, joint compound and sheetrock, a little bit cheaper, but in my opinion the quality is not as good as a blue board and plaster product. With that being said, it is a little bit more money, and even some of the finishes that we do in our finished carpentry, we really take our time and make sure every detail is extra perfect, which takes time. With that being said, we aren't the most expensive construction company in the area. We certainly aren't the cheapest. We like to say we're right in the middle, but what you get with us is that full service construction company with one point of contact that quarterbacks everything. So as a construction company, we really pride ourselves on that, and we want to make sure that by the time we leave the homeowner's home, that they're 100% satisfied with every aspect of the project, and that they're going to recommend us to all their friends and family, because we don't advertise. We work mostly on word of mouth, and we do a lot of things within the city, but our business comes from word of mouth and referrals from past customers that are absolutely ecstatic and happy with the work that we've done with them.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
No problem. My pleasure.